Okay, we're talking about the RidgePro today, and this is a great device for first line fall protection, and it allows you, it creates an anchor on the roof. Okay, the first thing we have to do, you see these marks here, these indicate roof pitch 6, 8, 10, 12, so we have to adjust it. This roof is somewhere, I'm guessing about an 8 on that roof, so we slide this around to an 8, put the pin back in. Okay, now ideally I'd have a carabiner right here on this, and I could attach it, but I'm just going to tie a quick bowline around here. So that's attached. That's not, oop, that came, I didn't tie that just right. There we go. Now it's tied on there. Okay. All right. So basically, I set that in place. I'll set it right about there. And I'm going to start up the ladder. And as I get here, I'm going to start feeding this up on the roof. It's got a wheel to roll up the roof. So I turn it like that, so it rolls up the roof, and the pole extends out. And I want to extend the pole out first. So I keep extending the pole out, push it up. That's the end of the pole. And then I use this part to push it up to the peak and flip it. And make sure it's caught. Pull down on it, it's caught. Okay? So then I'm going to clip in right here. I can even use my ascender handle if I need to. Ideally, this ladder would be a little higher above the roof. 3 rungs above the roof, but now I'm not going anywhere. If I fall, I'm not going anywhere. So I start up, feed this up, this feeds right on down, and I've got an anchor. Step up, and I just proceed right on up the roof using my RidgePro as my anchor. And that was quick, fast, and I feel real safe with it. Alrighty, that's the RidgePro. Okay, so we've done our work up on the roof by this chimney. We're coming on down the ridge. We're coming down the roof, and I'm descending. Somebody's putting my ladder, and I step right onto the ladder. Okay. Now I have to retrieve the RidgePro. So it's basically just a reverse of the way we set it. So I'm just going to push up on it, flip it over, and roll it down to me. And now when I get to the slide mechanism, I start sliding the pole down. Okay, so now the pole is fully retracted. I can set it down, and you know, here we're pretty short roof. I can just set it down, lean it against the roof there, But if it was a taller house, I'd just carry it right on down the ladder with me, make sure I'm not hooked up. Go ahead and clear this. And just make sure I've got control of the pole as I'm coming down. And bring it right on down. So it's a great device, a real quick way to provide an anchor on the roof. Great for that first trip up, first trip down, going up just to make a quick inspection. It's a great tool. That's the RidgePro.